best thing that we have integrated into this portal is the agentic AI, where agents perform various rudimentary day-to-day tasks. You could ask an agent to perform a three-way match. So the agent would go and verify the purchase order. They would verify the goods delivered, the MIGO part of SAP, and they would then verify the invoice, IR part. So purchase order, GR, and IR. These three things are validated by the agent. Think of it doing it manually, and think of it doing it manually on a paper-based purchase order. So definitely a 2 or 3 day lag would be there just to park and post an invoice. With an agentic AI, with built-in validation, with built-in data governance, and with built-in go-ahead type of checks, you can automate your business process and release the resources to other productive tasks in your company. So three-way match is one of the best example that I like to give over here that can be done through agentic AI. Further, other validations that can be done by agentic AI is verifying the email so that we know that the email address is what the supplier says, who they say, what they are. They could also perform an SMS verification and validation. Means there is no limit to your imagination how you could deploy agentic AI to perform RPA-driven validation right from the Swift platform. So you don't have to buy a third-party RPA solution to perform automation in your SAP infrastructure. Everything is taken care of. The no-code environment, the citizen development environment, the Swift flow environment, the agentic AI environment, and on top of it, the Gen AI part. So this is the entire portfolio that helps organization achieve what I was referring to in my slide was quick value realization of SAP. That you are not touching your core. The core remains clean. SAP S/4HANA. And the benefit of core, clean core, is realized when you are doing your next upgrade. Think of it, you are on ECC6 and you are on S/4HANA before 2027. Organizations must have to migrate. But if the core is not clean, there will be humongous cost to either accept the changes they have done or to undo the changes they have done and adopt the best practices only. So organizations have to make a decision right now that they have to have SAP in the environment. They must keep the core clean. And with Swift, we don't touch the backend infrastructure. We don't write any ABAP. We don't send any transport that I mentioned in the beginning. So that keeps the core clean and your next upgrade cycle is completely risk-free.